Are you making these common mistakes while doing Anuloma Viloma, also known as alternate nostril breathing? First and foremost, you should hold your nostril very softly. People tend to hold it, press it really hard. That is not required. Gently hold the nostril. First and foremost, you inhale from your left nostril, hold for a second or two, exhale from right, then again hold for a second or two, inhale from right, hold, and exhale from left. Why we tend to hold after inhale and exhale? This allows a proper exchange of gases to happen within our lungs, right? Next thing, what people tend to do is they make a lot of sound while doing the breathing. For Anuloma Viloma especially, it is not a very loud kind of a pranayama. It has to be done very subtly. You just inhale softly from one nostril. Even you should not be able to hear your breath. It should be that smooth and soft. So you inhale from left very softly, exhale from right softly, hold for a second or two. So don't forget that. Again, inhale from right, hold, exhale from left, right? And third thing, what people tend to do is when you're inhaling, exhaling, you have to be aware of each and every breath. What it does is it connects your body, mind through the medium of breath. Most of the day we are not aware about what our body is doing, or there are too many thoughts. So Anuloma Viloma is one of the best pranayamas that connects your body and your mind with the help of the breath. I hope you follow these three things. 1, don't press your nostril too much. 2, don't make too much of sound. It should be very subtle. 3, be aware of each and every breath when you're doing Anuloma Viloma. 4, don't forget to pause or hold the breath for a second or two to allow the proper exchange of gases to happen. I hope this helps you in your practice. Do it few times in a day, especially after you're waking up. Just do it. Ensure that your mind, this ensures that both your right and left hemisphere of the brain becomes very active. You can also do it just before you start any kind of work where you need to focus. Like you can suggest it to your kids, or students can also do it, right? I hope this helps. Follow my YouTube channel. There are other links for other pranayamas that I've recorded. Please go through them and message me if you have any doubts or you want to comment. Please go ahead. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.